Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, let's move to the details of this video. My today's video is about very beautiful and very easy to make silk ribbon roses, silk ribbon embroidery, silk ribbon flowers and silk ribbon sunflowers. Yes friends, you have heard it right. In this video collection, you are going to see amazing, stylish, eye-catching and mesmerizing design ideas. I have divided my today's video into two parts. First one consists of silk ribbon embroidery flowers and roses, and the last part contains silk ribbon sunflowers. And all of these very beautifully made hand embroidered silk ribbon patterns could be used for a variety of reasons and for a variety of ways. Number of different ways that you can use these very beautifully silk ribbon patterns would be shown into this collection. You can use to make face masks, your dress designing, hoop art, like sceneries, wall art, decoration pieces. Even you can make these very beautifully designed and crafted silk ribbon sunflower onto your cushion covers, pillow covers, handbags, office bags, university bags, grocery bags, and much more as per your taste and choices. The basic and the main purpose and the sole reason of making this video is to share some creative and beautiful design ideas with the lovers of silk ribbon embroidery specifically. As silk ribbon embroidery is getting more and more attention with the rising years, you can also make them onto your handbags, your girlish fashionable accessories like your vanity bags, your cosmetic bags, glasses covers, mobile covers. As you have been seeing, number of ways into which you can use them like bags, handbags, accessory covers, mobile covers have been portrayed to you in the form of design ideas, so that you could get creative and amazing ideas and make up your mind how you are going to use these design patterns. Even you can make these patterns onto your table covers, towels, table mats, and different sorts of kitchen accessory covers and home decor ideas. So friends, thank you so much for watching my content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment below my videos. I will meet you soon with a new set of collection and collective DIY creative, unique and beautiful ideas. Up till then, take care of yourselves, your loved ones, your family, and spread positivity everywhere.